Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Mall Gadong. Bibili kami ng gatas ni Ashby. So dito yung entrance. Nasaan yung entrance here? Nagpark dito kami sa sa basement. Kasi kapag nagpark ka ng basement, makiklaim mo siya kapag nag-grocery ka ng mga 50 above. So, eto na tayo guys sa loob. Ito yung mall, UG, Otama Grand. So, dito yung section sa mga milk. Ha?
Trolley, right?
Trolley?
Yeah.
Okay, dito yung bilihan ng gatas. Wala, S26?
This is it?
Promotion? Have promo?
The S26, stage 3, the gold one? The big one.
The stage 3.
Yes.
Stage 3.
Stage 3,
Yeah.
yeah?
Stage 3 na si Ashby. Yan. How much each?
54, 75. Okay, so how many you want?
How many pieces? Tiga?
Still they have many stocks.
Until when is this promotion price? Sampay bila? 31st?
And of August.
Masilama.
August, end of August?
Yeah.
Not July.
No?
You take one first. One first, huh?
Yeah.
Any promotion you buy 2 or 3? No? Last time you have the bag something. Last time have something bag, right?
Ada ka free ka law bali.
Yeah, here.
White young tip.
Yeah, which kind of bag did you?
Okay. Ba, okay.
So give one more. Kamusta? White.
Hello po.
She's the one I told you. Customer from before. The mother
From Bicol. From Bicol po kayo?
Siya.
Ah, hello po. Say hi po dito.
Susugun na.
Taga
Yeah,
Sursogon.
my mother.
Saan po sa Sursogon?
Magallanes.
Okay.
Magbabayad lang kami sa counter 4, ha?
Sige po.
Sandali lang.
Namit namin siya kanina. Din sa tindahan.
No, wait one more. I bring one.
So, ayan na guys. Bumili na kami ng 2 tin. Kasi may free bag sila.
No, member.
Like that, the free bag.
Yeah, sarap.
Bole. Yung hair mo, you didn't make your hair properly. Look at that. Messy hair. So, may free bag. The S26. Stage 3 na si Ashby.
Yeah, bo.
And stage 3. 1 year onward. No more money si Daddy Ashby. All on your milk.
All I should drinking.
Si Ate Zoe. Hi, Ate Zoe. Nabuborn si Ate Zoe. Yan. So, Ashby, you have to bring your milk, okay? Ashby, you have to bring your own milk. Did you bring already your receipt? So, next time we will buy again.
That's why they put like this one. Why they put like this? Because
Easy?
Not others they go also.
Oh, very good. Easy for you to take out, right?
Yeah, like this. Like that.
Yes. Oh, there's a cute baby over there.
Like this also.
So cute. Oh, look at the hair. It's curly brown.
Yeah, because the Earth one.
Huh?
Australian.
Australian? How did you know she's from Australia? Okay, so Daddy will carry that bag. Oh, very nice bag, Daddy. See? This one. Nag-shopping na. Better I buy miguring. I will cook miguring for you. Because Ashby already
more expensive than our food.
no, because Ashby already used the money.
Huh?
So Ashby already used money. So we buy miguring, ha? Come here. So guys, bibili na lang kami ng miguring for my husband food. Because Ashby already used all the money.
She want this flavor.
I never tried this flavor.
Okay, take it. Okay. You take miguring there, go.
Go here.
Go take here.
I'll pick this flavor.
So this one na lang guys,
Okay,
daw.
Mommy.
My husband food.
Mommy, next time we'll take this flavor, and next time we'll take this flavor.
Yes. Kasi guys, wala na kaming pera. Because Ashby already used our money all. So we will just cook this one. Wow, man si Daddy. Ito na lang ang food ni Daddy. Oh, you pay. Nandito kami guys sa Bandar ngayon kasi nga, di ba, Sultan birthday. So usually 1 month celebration yan. Tingnan nyo, ang daming pailaw-ilaw. Marami ditong mga expo, yung may mga pagkain, may mga murang toys, ganyan. Check natin kung meron pa guys. So medyo marami pang sasakyan ngayon kasi anong oras pa lang is 8:28 in the evening. Ipapasyal ko kayo dito guys. So, tingnan nyo guys, maraming tent dyan.
Mama, bring my ski.
See, oh, magpasyal tayo dito. We go inside here, anak. Here, oh.
There's see many people here.
See, oh, so many people.
One auntie yesterday said she want to go here.
See, so many people there because many people, like, you know, barbecues.
Now you talk.
Oh, take this over here.
Now you talk properly.
So many people selling there. We stop here. We check something here.
Yes, I have to
Yeah.
park first.
Yeah. Mahirap lang dito guys maghanap ng parking lot kasi maraming tao. We're going guys to the, anong tawag nun ha?
Bandar.
No, the one, the expo.
Yeah, it's expo.
We will do
It's
by
night
walk.
market.
Yeah, we will go by walk because no parking lot.
Oh, water flying. I think
Going guys to the ano yan tawag nun? Papunta kami doon guys sa expo. Doon sa maraming nagtitinda. So by walk lang kami guys kasi nga ang layo ng parking lot. Wala dito parking lot kasi. Kaya dito lang kami maglalakad. Mag-jogging ako. No, not like that. Sorry. Sorry.
actually she's coming for exercise in garden, but luckily we see here is the expo, like night markets, so we just planning to go there, and then we park our car too far so that we easy to walk and exercise also together. Oh, Ashby enjoying the rides. They are far already. This is the decoration of the King birthday. Brunei King birthday to actually 15 July. So now he's 78 years old. So this is the parade. Yesterday morning is here.
I'm in there.
Go. Jovi, try. Okay, you wait guys for the green light here.
It's also good that you guys. So, ganito guys dito sa Brunei kapag may occasion, like the birthday of the king. So, maraming tao. May mga nagpipray yata sila dyan. So, dito yung Expo. May guard. Maraming tao today. Ayan, tingin tayo kung anong meron sa Expo. Kung ano ang mabibili natin sa Expo. Ayan, may mga kainan. Ayan. Lang yata dito guys ang foreigner. Kaya pinagtitinginan nila kami. So, bibili si Zoe ng ano. Go, you buy first. Bibili kami guys ng satay. Zoe favorite. Yeah.
Okay, if you feel more.
Favorites ni Zoe yan na satay ayam. So, yan na. Thank you. You try. No, you try. Go eat. It's yummy?
But not hot.
Yeah, because you did not ask them to hot. This one cocktail. This one coconut.
So coconut. Joey feels sleepy already. And mommy here, Ashwi here, and daddy here.
So we're going home, guys.
And now we're going to our car. We park actually far, so now we are going home.
I'll see you for the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Okay, put her Ashwi properly. I just bring my wife here airport because she want to check her weight. I come from my house. It's from home to here. It's almost 8 kilometers only for her check the weight, because she said that this machine is the correct one. If I will not bring her here, then she will non-stop blah 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 blah. Too much will be talk and angry. That's why I bring. It will be a day for me. The better I bring. Oh, she's coming already. I don't know she already done or not. Let's see. I think the machine not work. Let's see what she will do. What happened? Already check?
Yes.
Is it? Too fast.
Someone watching me.
So, how many kilos?
Secret.
No, it's not recording. Close the door. It's not recording. How many kilos?
Secret.
It's not recording.
Yeah, I see. Daddy is recording.
You
Okay,
see?
let's go.
So, how many kilos? 60,
Secret nga.
62 or anything?
No la. Last time I'm 62.
And so now how many?
Now I will check how many you reduce.